Elevating the passion for planting and nurturing flowers to the realm of art, that is the essence of the art of flower arrangement. Take a withered branch from a honeysuckle plant, combine it with a graceful and elegant branch of a smoke tree, and its form immediately takes shape. Add 2 vibrant red flowers of the lily plant, distinctive and unique, making the composition stand out. In addition, adorn it with several elegant iris leaves, resembling dancing peacock feathers, enhancing the allure and charm of the arrangement. All these materials are sourced from my private garden. With the inclusion of hollyhock petals, paired with a dry and lifeless branch, the entire piece emanates a sense of vitality and dynamism.